Boondock Echo as a device, it essentially records the audio from different radios you can connect. If you look at the right side of your Boondock, you will see you have audio in, your radio in out. This is the port that can do both receive and transmit. And this is where you would connect your typical cable that comes with Boondock Echo. One side is a TRRS jack, and the other side, in this example, we have K1 type connector, which connects to Baofeng and many similar radios. I have one lying here with me. You have push to talk safety switch. If you want to be safe, switch your push to talk so it's disabled. We have a microphone here. You can see it by the symbol, a speaker, and a bunch of buttons. We'll talk about this. And we have three LED status lights. First one is for the Boondock. This shows what is Boondock doing right now. The second one is your radio. What is it doing? Is it recording audio, or is it transmitting? All that you will see here. The third one is your Wi-Fi network. So is it connected to the internet? Is it sending the files? It has received a new audio file or playing. On the left side, you will see a standard micro SD jack. Boondock comes with a micro SD card, which will be pre-installed with the firmware, and we'll look at this micro SD in a second. You can power it with either of the micro USB in, but if you want to debug or if you want to connect it to terminal, then you can use the USB port. First one, very obvious, reset. Second one is function. If you want to load a custom firmware to it, and push to talk, the play, previous, next, and the volume buttons. Push to talk, as it says, you push and you talk, and that audio will get transmitted to the connected radio. Whenever it records the audio, you just want to listen to them. You can click next, just like a voicemail box. It will play all the audio files which it has captured. And the volume button, every time you press it, volume increases by 10%. It goes to 100%, and then it cycles to 10%. Some of these buttons have some special functions as well. Like, for example, you double tap the volume button, it will mute or unmute the speaker. So double tap, there won't be any audio. You just want to silently record the audio. You double tap the next button, it will play all the audio that it has captured sequentially, one after another. If you want to just catch up with all the audio it has captured, double tap. Another feature might be useful is sometimes you are not sure what happened. You want to factory reset your device. In that case, you push your previous and next and the volume button. You press all three buttons. You plug in your Boondock Echo, hold the buttons till you hear beeps. It'll give three beeps, and you release it, and it'll take a few seconds, and it will factory reset it. And so there are multiple functions. And there is one more safety switch, or it's an audio selection switch. If you want to connect audio out from something like a scanner or any device which has audio coming out of it, and you insert a typical headphone to that, that's when you turn off this bypass switch. It gets the audio directly to the Boondock for the recordings.